Note. It doesn't just stop there. It cross-references this data with historical trends and current weather conditions to understand the context of the change. The AI can analyze the data and predict a potential leak. This predictive capability is crucial because it allows for proactive measures rather than reactive ones. By identifying issues early, the system can prevent minor problems from escalating into major incidents. It can then trigger an automatic shutdown or alert human operators, preventing a major incident. This dual approach ensures that both automated systems and human oversight work together seamlessly to maintain the highest levels of safety and efficiency. Section 4, Benefits Galore. Why AI pipeline safety rocks. The benefits of using AI for pipeline safety are huge. First and foremost, it significantly reduces the risk of accidents, protecting people and the environment. It also helps optimize pipeline operations, ensuring efficient transportation and reducing waste. And guess what? AI-powered safety measures can save companies a lot of money in the long run. By preventing costly accidents and improving efficiency, everyone wins. Section 5, Challenges Ahead, Overcoming the Hurdles. While AI is a game-changer for pipeline safety, there are challenges we need to address. These challenges are multifaceted and require a comprehensive approach to overcome. One big one is ensuring the security of the AI system itself. Cybersecurity is paramount because any vulnerability could be exploited by malicious actors. We don't want any hackers messing with our pipelines. A breach could lead to catastrophic consequences, both environmentally and economically. Another challenge is building trust in AI. Stakeholders, including the public and industry professionals, need to be convinced of the technology's reliability. People need to know that these systems are reliable and won't make mistakes that could put them at risk. This involves rigorous testing and validation processes. Transparency and rigorous testing are key to building that trust. Open communication about how AI systems work and their limitations is essential. In conclusion, AI-powered safety protocols are transforming the pipeline industry, making it safer, more efficient, and more reliable. The integration of AI is not just a technological upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. By addressing the challenges and embracing the benefits, we can harness the power of AI to build a more sustainable and secure future for everyone. The journey may be complex, but the rewards are immense.